For billions of years, the universe has been dancing. Stars swirling, galaxies spinning, and planets locked in a graceful, silent motion. Each world follows its own rhythm, guided by the invisible hand of gravity. But what if one step went wrong? What if the music stopped and two planets collided? At first, you wouldn't even notice. A tiny shift, a fraction of a degree in one planet's orbit. It would be a secret known only to the cosmos. But slowly, inevitably, the signs would appear. The planet's magnetic field would start to distort, sending compasses spinning wildly. The weather would turn violent and unpredictable. Deep within its core, the world would begin to tremble. Then, you'd see it. A new star in the night sky. Except, it isn't a star. It's the other planet, and it's growing larger with every passing night. A silent, looming herald of the end. As the distance between the two worlds closes, gravity, the force that once held everything in its gentle embrace, becomes a devastating weapon. The pull would be immense. Mountains, ancient and steadfast, would crumble into dust. Volcanoes, dormant for 1,000,000 years, would awaken in a fury of fire and ash. The very air you breathe would begin to strip away, escaping into the cold void of space. The oceans would rise in colossal tides, swallowing continents whole. And then, the moment of impact. In a single, silent heartbeat, the energy of billions of nuclear bombs is released. Everything we know, everything we've ever built, mountains, oceans, cities, life itself is vaporized, reduced to nothing but fire and dust. For a few brief, deafeningly quiet seconds, the universe simply watches as two worlds die. But in the grand cosmic theater, destruction is never the final act. The same force that brought about this apocalyptic end now sets the stage for a new beginning. From the molten, chaotic debris, gravity begins its work anew. Over millions of years, this swirling cloud of rock and fire will cool, coalesce, and from the ashes of two worlds, a new one will emerge. This is how planets, and perhaps even life, are born. A collision of this magnitude doesn't happen in isolation. Its effects would ripple across the entire solar system. Nearby planets would be thrown from their orbits, their own delicate balances shattered. Moons would be pulverized into new rings of debris. Even the parent star might flare brighter, reacting to the violent shift in its cosmic family. A single collision can rewrite the fate of an entire system. In fact, look up at our own sky. Our moon may be a beautiful, silent scar from just such an event born from a cataclysmic impact between a young Earth and a Mars-sized object billions of years ago. So, every night, when you gaze at its serene glow, you are seeing proof of ancient chaos, a story of creation born from destruction. The universe isn't cruel, it's just endlessly, violently creative. Every end gives birth to something new. And perhaps, if our own world ever faces its final moments, something beautiful and new will rise from our ashes. Because even when worlds collide, the universe keeps on dreaming. Thank you for watching. If you were captivated by this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into the great what-ifs of our universe.